Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to indent text in Evernote. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Evernote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Indenting text in Evernote on a mobile device is quite simple, but the options are somewhat limited compared to the desktop version and the web version. Alright, so once you open the Evernote app on your mobile device, even if you're using an iOS or an Android, I want you to hover to the notebooks and open the notes that you are working. Alright, and let's get through on how we can work around with the indentation. So first off is, I'm gonna put in some text right here. So you see, if you go to this characters here, there's gonna be like an option for the formatting. You have the normal text, your font style, the spacing, and the font size, the font style, and a lot more. You see this section right here? That is the alignment. So that's gonna be left aligned, centered, and the right aligned. Now again, as I've told you earlier, you don't have the option to indent, but what we can do instead is kind of like create a workaround for that. I want you to press this bottom right spacing right here, so you have that. If you do that, you just have to manually use the space bar here. All right. So when you go here, just create a space manually for every text that you wanted to indent. So that's kind of your limited option. All right. So unfortunately, guys, if you're using your mobile, you don't have any much choice. All right. And then once you have, say for example, was able to indent that accordingly, by going to the format section, you can put it right here, centered. This one right here can be put in as well, maybe a little bit of right. And then what I can suggest to you is, since the options kind of limited, create a draft and then go to the three dots icon on the top right corner. I want you to share this note to, maybe if you're in a collaborative environment where you are working with multiple freelancers, team members, or even your client. You want to make sure that anyone can access with the link has an option to edit. All right. So they can edit and invite. Put their names here, for example, your client or maybe your team members, so that when you share this note, they should be able to indent that on the desktop application or the web version. By doing so, you were able to create a draft, and from there, your team members can do whatever editing that they need. All right, because again, here in the mobile device, their options are quite limited, and if they do have the chance to edit, indentation can help create a clear structure, especially for lists or outlines, by visually grouping related information. Indentation can be used to distinguish main points and subpoints, making your notes more organized and clean. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.